44 machine, driven by Dave Higgins of Winston-Salem. And then we got Cody McKinney of Winston and the 20 Daniel Wright of Winston-Salem with the number 20 machine. Bobby Ware of the Twin City in car number 8. In car number 18, Raleigh Grant in car number 7. Jeff Crosby, 716. Justin Walker, the 15. Richard Johnston's in the 17. Matt Haynes in the number 3 out of Winston-Salem. Jeff Barton got the power driver from Georgia South. He's now our brother, 1/2 of the World Black Champion. He's back here next week. I think he's here all night. Worried about Jeff. He's okay. His wrestling career is more important to him than coming here and helping me. So let's rock and roll. JB out of commission tonight with the pile driver from Georgia South. Hopefully he'll be able to crawl back in here next week. Randy, done a great job up there tonight, my man. We got a derby to do, and we're going to wrap it up tonight. You guys watch the scoreboard, and we'll be ready to count it down. Help them out. Good shot here.
39 using the front end of the car. That's not the way to win.